If you want to know how to get 4,000 hours watch time fast for your YouTube channel so you can get monetized, then this video is for you, so keep watching. Technical MZR is all about helping YouTubers grow their YouTube channels. If you're a YouTuber, I think I can help you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Okay, so first, why do you need 4,000 hours watch time? It's one of the requirements to get monetized on YouTube. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the last 365 days. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get 4,000 hours watch time fast. The first step is to know how many watch hours you currently have in the last 365 days. You can easily find this in YouTube Studio. Go to Analytics, then click Watch Time. Then change it to the last 365 days. This is where you'll see how many watch time hours you have in the last 365 days. Subtract that number from 4,000 and that's how many more watch hours you need to have completed that part of the YouTube monetization requirement. The next step is to understand what YouTube counts towards your watch hours. Not all watch time counts towards your 4,000 hours you need. YouTube has a really good help article on this, but I'll link in the description below if you want to read it for yourself or learn more about it. This was just updated recently with some changes, so it's important to be aware of this. If you have videos that are private, unlisted, or videos you deleted, YouTube won't count watch time of those videos towards your 4,000 hours number that you need. The first thing you should consider is making sure not to delete any videos, at least until you've been monetized for a while. Or don't delete any videos until they are more than 365 days old. Then you should consider making any unlisted or private videos public again to help with watch time. Remember, any watch time from a video more than 365 days ago won't help. Anyway, YouTube only counts watch time gained in the last 365 days. If you have any videos you made in the last year that have gained you some watch time, but you listed them as unlisted or private, you should consider making them public for a while to boost your watch time hours. The other thing is, you used to be able to use Google Ads to get watch time. YouTube changed that recently. Now if you get views from ads through Google, they do not count towards your watch hours. Step 1. Know how many watch hours you currently have. Step 2. Understand what counts as watch hours towards getting monetized on YouTube. Step 3. Consider making any private or unlisted videos made that have watch time in the last year set to public. Step 4 is I'd consider doing some paid promotion for your video on DrumItUp.com. DrumItUp is another site you can advertise your YouTube videos. They basically just embed your YouTube video there, so there's no reason to watch time from DrumItUp shouldn't count towards your watch time hours. For me personally, that site has generated me more watch time than any other external site, so that's why I recommend that one in particular. If you are considering trying DrumItUp though, I recommend to do the paid promotion so you get more watch time hours. It's straightforward and cheap pricing. All payments are made through PayPal. If you want to try it out, please consider using my link in the description below. It doesn't cost you any extra, but so, guys, subscribe me for watching this types of video more. Goodbye.